how much should you actually spend on washers? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. That's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Detanley Stainless Steel Washers. First up, we have the Detanley Stainless Steel Fender Washers. Priced at $16.99 for a pack of 100, I was really drawn in by the quality of the stainless steel and the sheer number you get. If you want durable and reliable washers for various projects, this is worth a serious look. These washers are made from 304 stainless steel, which means they are anti-rust and designed to last. Each washer measures 1 1/4 inches in outer diameter and 1/4 inch in inner diameter, making them versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're working on a DIY project or need something for heavy-duty applications, these washers handle it all. With strong ratings and positive feedback for their durability, they're perfect for automotive or construction needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of washers that bend or break under pressure, the Detanleys offer security and strength. Now, some people complained about the packaging being a bit flimsy, which could lead to some washers getting mixed up. Here's the thing though, the quality of the washers themselves compensates for that minor inconvenience, especially if you're not dealing with large quantities at once. It might be a deal breaker for some, but for most DIY enthusiasts, it's a small price to pay for reliability. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional needing dependable washers. Skip this one if you need something specifically designed for light use at home. Overall, for just under $17, you get quality that lasts. Now, if the packaging issue with the Detanley washers bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its design and application.
Product number 2, Blulu Square Beveled Washers. Next, let's check out the Blulu 10 pieces square beveled washers. At just $8.99, these metal shims caught my attention for their unique design meant for leveling. If you're working with angled surfaces, this is definitely worth a serious look. These square washers have a beveled edge, which helps keep fasteners securely in place, especially when you're dealing with uneven surfaces. Each washer measures 1 1/8 inches square and is made from galvanized carbon steel, providing durability and resistance to wear. This feature is essential for ensuring your bolts and nuts sit evenly, preventing any chance of loosening over time, especially in structural applications like bridges or buildings. Here's why this matters for you. If your projects often involve sloped or difficult surfaces, the Blulu washers can make your life a lot easier. However, some users noted that they found the washers a bit thick for certain applications. Here's the thing though, if you really need heavy-duty support and stability, that extra thickness can actually be a benefit in many cases. So it might not work for every scenario, but for many, it can provide that extra level of security. This is perfect for you if you handle a lot of construction or repair projects requiring a secure fit. Skip this one if you're only doing light tasks around the house without any angles involved. Considering you get 10 washers for under $9, this is a solid investment for ensuring safety and integrity in your work. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more universal solution.
So there you have it. The Detanley stainless steel washers for reliability, the Blulu square beveled washers for leveling, and a versatile option for those all-purpose tasks. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but ultimately, it comes down to what fits your specific needs best. Whether you're tackling a big project or just some DIY tasks at home, one of these washers will surely have you covered.